What is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you out 100% passive for doing nothing, guys, but just receiving text messages. This is going to be a brand new money making application, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end, because at the end of this video I'm also going to be showing you the best way you can start to make money right now on YouTube without doing anything at all, guys. So make sure you watch this video to the end. So now let's get away the free money to Padilla right here. Thank you so much for actually putting your Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video. Now, if you want to be inserted and get a chance to win a free Bitcoin from me, make sure to comment down below your Bitcoin address and leave a comment, and also leave a thumbs up on this video. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate it. So now let's get started with today's money making method. So first off, we have the payment proof right here, guys. So as you can see, this is my PayPal account. It says right here PlexMan, and that is me. So this is just one of my emails, and I have to scratch out some of the information just because I think it's kind of personal, just in case, guys. But as you can see, this actual application, I have not even received a text message, but I have gotten paid out some money, as you can see right there, guys. So this is a really awesome money making application that pays you to literally just hold or actually have the application on your phone, because I have not received any text messages for the month, but I have gotten paid out from them. So how crazy is that? This is just a passive way you can start to make money by having a app running on your phone. Now I'm about to show you that application right now, and this is the app right here, guys. It is called Control SMS, and I'm gonna leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right now making some free money. So this is so simple and so easy to use, and look how there's only like 2 buttons on this actual application itself. So it says your current balance is 0, but as you can see right here, guys, I've gotten paid out and haven't received any text messages. So this is how simple and easy it is to make money with applications. And it says right there, hi Edward Carreno, you're already registered to receiving messages from Control My SMS. So this is the easiest and fastest video I've ever made on YouTube. So it's only been around 2 or 3 minutes and I'm already almost done with this video, guys. So I'm about to show you how you can start to make some money right now on YouTube without doing anything at all, guys. So now let's get started with that method. So here it is right here, guys. This is going to be my YouTube course, and yes, I don't really want to call it a course because it's more of me just I'll say like a program, if that helps any. But the reason why I've actually made this is because I've created a team that will be doing everything for you guys. So this team is going to be creating the thumbnails for you. This team is going to be creating the scripts for you. This team is going to be creating the voiceover for you. They're going to be finding the actual information for you. They're going to be creating the thumbnails for you, and all you have to do is just pay them a little bit of money for doing the work. And then at the end of the day, guys, all you're gonna have to do is just upload these videos onto YouTube about anything. So if you have been looking for like top 10s, top 5s way to make money online, so let's do that real quick. So this person is gonna do this for you. Look, let's look up the downtime real quick. This is my test channel for you guys to check out, so you can see what my team can do for you. So let's just come look it up real quick. It's not really even known yet. So I'm just gonna find that YouTube channel right now live without editing, so you guys can see what my team is gonna be able to do for you. So let me just keep on finding this channel, and let's go to filters, let's go to channel, and I'm gonna leave the link to this channel down in the description of this video so you can find it quicker. So if you just come and check out look at the thumbnails, guys. First off, look at this, mind-blowing obstacle illusions, most wanted hacker in the world, photos that caught people being jealous, things students do to pass exams. You can see how just out of the ordinary, or out of just random stuff, dangerous foods that can kill you. You can see how just random this information is. Like this one, most protected presidents in the world. And if you look inside of these videos, guys, they're just small little clips with voiceovers behind them, just showing you. And voiceovers, guys, you're not looking for any of this information, but just giving them a topic to do all of this for you. And it's just going to talk about the hackers, talk about stuff about the hackers, and just things like that. So how crazy is that I've created a team that is going to be able to do all of this for you 100% passive, and the price is only $50. I'm going to give you secrets on how you can grow from a small channel to a fast channel really quick, but it works best with channels that don't have your face in them. And that is exactly what this is, guys. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video. If that wasn't enough for you guys, I also have this right here. Please, I want to make money online. Math tutor. I have a free course that is going to show you how you can start to make money with passive applications, how you can actually buy your own apps and start making money from owning your own applications. And this is a free course I've created for you guys. I'm going to show you how you can get organic traffic to your apps. I'm going to show you how you can get traffic to anything that you want on any money making application that I talk about, just like Control My SMS if they have a referral program. And right here, guys, make money reading the news. Look how easy it is to make money. I've created a free course as well, and that is going to be down in the description of this video as well, so you can get started making some money right away. And even on top of that, guys, you can come down here and leave a comment, your email address, and even your name, so you can start to communicate with me and asking me questions and asking me different videos that you want me to create for you for a free course, guys. I'm more than happy to help all of you guys out with a free course to help you get started making some money with mobile applications, with your mobile device, and even on top of that, by owning your own applications. And on top of that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.